my point is that this is a big gap actually in our communities because we are probably a decade or 2 decades behind research, collecting data. Any data that we get for marriages is always about the whole United States. And when it comes to marriage, divorce rates, age, everything. And we don't have clear data, we don't have clear mechanisms, we don't have a process. And so this is, inshallah ta'ala, the beginning of my niyyah of spending my next 5 to 10 years focusing on this. But ironically, the first place you start is with yourself. Because a marriage requires two healthy individuals. And if you don't have two healthy individuals, you're not going to have a healthy marriage. If one individual is healthy and the other individual is unhealthy, it'll conclude to an unhealthy marriage or a very difficult marriage. So the first place you start is with yourself. And also because that's the only thing you can actually control. You can only control yourself anyway. And so if you focus on your spouse, then you can't do anything because you're not in control of your spouse. And that's why the very first change in mindset is pointing at myself. Because if both partners point at themselves, there will be change. But if both partners point at the other person, you're at a stalemate. And there'll be no change. And if your clear enemy cares so much about destroying marriages, then that means that we should care more about maintaining our marriages more than Shaitan wants to destroy it. Right away. And sometimes we're very lackadaisical when it comes to marriage. Like we'll say, let's just meet someone, get married and do this. But when it comes to career, you'll invest, you'll study, you'll take the exams. When it comes to other aspects of our lives, we're serious. When it comes to our kids' education, very serious. When it comes to marriage, we'll figure it out. So right away, all I'm saying is you have an enemy who cares more about it than a lot of us. So in order for you to protect your marriage or to find someone also, we have to raise the intentionality and the awareness of how important marriage is.